This recipe is for barbecue pork char siu steam rolls. Add 1 cup of rice flour. Then add 1 cup of water. So make sure the flour is blended in well with the water. Then you add 3/4 cup of chopped barbecue pork into the mixture. Yep. And then you add 1/2 cup of green onions as well. So put some oil in a dish. We like to use olive oil because it gives extra flavor. So rub a little of the olive oil onto a pan to make sure the rice roll doesn't stick. Then you put some water in the pan and bring it to a boil. Put 1 ladle of rice roll mix. And then cover the pan with the lid. So once you see the bubbles come out, it's ready. So let the rice roll cool off for a minute or so. And then roll the rice roll and put it on a plate. So this recipe makes about 6 to 8 rice rolls. There you have it. Chinese barbecue pork char siu steamed rice rolls. Enjoy. So my mom used to make her own flour before, so this way it's already made.